Hey, what's up, guys? So for today's video, I'm going to try kung which one of these gadgets I have here is better. So I do have here GoPro 10. So nasad ko yung GoPro 12 pero gibili na ko sa Rizal. I also have here my DSLR, my mirrorless camera. This is Lumix G7. And of course, I've got my cell phone. So, muna siya akong mga gadgets gay nga kanunay na akong gamiton every time na mag-travel ko. So, for me, these are essential sa travel na ko. Mauna nga, I've got a lot of pictures nga quality kayo ang mga shots. So, I'm also using a DJI Pocket 2 to create this video. I'm gonna check kung unsa po iyahang ika-offer sa ako. So, they said it's good for vlogging. So anyway, thank you guys sa akong sister kay iyahan ng gihatag. Thank you, Sister Grace Omit. So, what I like about the DJI Osmo Pocket 2 kay very handy dandy lang siya. And the camera really is very good. Ang quality sa camera is very nice. So, kung tanggalon ako ang connector aning microphone niya, ingana ra siya kagamay guys. Pwede nimo ilagay sa imong pocket dire. And ang quality niya is sa picture niya no, kaya niya makuha og 4K na video, tas ang iyang megapixel also is very clear and dili siya blurred even if you zoom in, zoom out, the picture hindi siya magiging pixelated once downloaded sa cellphone. What I also like about the DJI is very user-friendly siya. Pwede mo siyang i-gamitan diri sa cellphone as your remote. And aside from that, kung solo vlogger ka, solo traveler ka like me na kasagaran mag-travel ko ako lang isa, I always have my monopod which is very also bulky. So meron akong I use this for my GoPro and I think I can use it sa Osmo nako nga camera. So very handy. So ibig sabihin mubo ra pod siya ang kaya niyang makapture nga mga kuan sa mga alanganin nga mga lugar medyo di pod ni siya nice nga gamitan nga tripod. But there are a lot of tripod naman and you can choose sa Shopee or whatever store sa mall that you can find. And what I like about the Osmo is naana siya feature nga mag-follow. So let's say for example I'm gonna use this oh no, natumbang akong camera guys, sorry. Okay, so take to sa ta guys kay natumbang akong camera. What I like about the Osmo is very handy siya. Gamay kay siya pero nindot siya ang quality sa camera. Plus, for solo travelers like me, medyo friendly siya. Especially kay na siya function nga if mag-follow, so you just have to put it in a monopod or tripod or whatever it is. And then, mo-follow na siya. So, itong DJI Osmo na to guys is already connected to my cell phone. Yan. And all you have to do is just focus your face para musunod ra na siya ni Mukusa. So let's say for example this one. I'm gonna go here. Here. So na ako na rin nagbarog sa akong tricycle guys. And I'm gonna go somewhere hills. Oh. So you don't have to worry about vlogging. So if you guys are vloggers or if you are traveling, very nice siya nga kuan. So guys, so that's it. Very nice good siya guys. Ayan o. I know. I'm gonna focus on my face. Yan. So, whoop. Whoop. Okay. So anyway guys, it comes with a microphone. So kung vlogger ka, very useful kayo ni sa mga anyway, based on my research, separate ang price sa microphone guys. If you wanted to buy the DJI Osmo Pocket 2, na yung mga packages kung mag-buy ka. So, yeah. So, this one is for my water activities. So, muna siya kang gamitan guys, water activities like pag maulan. So, the DJI is not a waterproof camera. So, dili mo siya magamit. So I think it's just a water resistant, but it's really not a waterproof. So ito kasi it's a waterproof even without the hard casing. Yan. So I use it during hike na maulan, mga underwater, and whatsoever. So anyway guys, this is a GoPro 10. Ang ako lang masulti no, since I have a GoPro 12, I like the GoPro 10. But I'm gonna feature it on a different video. But for now, para lang ni siya sa DJI Osmo Pocket 2. And ang akong masulti lang, very good investment siya for travelers, for vloggers, and for anyone na enthusiast with camera. And regarding sa price guys, it's like I think it's more than 20,000, 26,000 in the market. And that's something na pwede naman na mapag-ipunan. But of course, I got this for free kay gihatag rin sa akong manghod. Thank you so much sa mga sponsor nako. And my GoPro 12 as well is Juvi's Juvi Bodet. Kaya ayun lang for today. I will have a separate video for featuring my other cameras like my Lumix G7 and also my GoPro camera. So I do have GoPro 7, 10, and 12. So I'm gonna make a comparison of the cameras as well. And yun lang naman for today. Goodbye.